Hey guys, welcome back again. My name is Mohammad Zakwan and you are watching me on TechnoZex. So guys, today's topic is the 17 reasons Google can penalize your website. Here is the 17 reasons why Google can penalize your website. So guys, here the primary job of Google is to give its users the best users experience, the best search result. So here Google gives its users the exact information. It gives its users access to exact information and exclusive content. And for offering the better results, Google updated its algorithm time to time guys to improve the quality of its search results. So with this new algorithm updates, your site might be penalized guys if you are making some pretty common silly mistakes in your SEO. Guys, there are many reasons, there are quite a few reasons why actually Google can penalize your website, but some of them are most important guys. So here you will find 17 reasons, or even you can call it mistakes you are doing in your SEO which impose Google to penalize your website. So let's understand here first why Google penalizes website. So Google has been tuning and reviewing the way it indexes the content. The way Google indexes the content has completely been changed now. Earlier the Google's algorithm was not as strict as today. So with this, these updates, actually algorithm updates, were executed. Why? To give users the best possible answer to their search queries and offer the best user experience possible. So here guys, there are two penalties you can get from Google. There are two penalties you can get from Google. The first one is a manual penalty. The second one is called as the algorithmic penalty. So what do you mean by this? What is a manual penalty and what do you mean by algorithmic penalty? So here the manual penalty is nothing but the manual action from Google spam team. Google has a spam team. Google spam team will manually inspect your website if they find any error. If they find any error in your website, if they find your website is not SEO friendly, then they will definitely penalize your website guys. So let's deeply understand what exactly the manual penalty means. So here manual penalties are usually easier to identify guys, because they are often accompanied by a message. You will receive a message from Google within your Google Webmaster Tool account. So as long as you have a Google Webmaster Tool account set up, then you will receive a message from Google if your website has been penalized. So guys, manual penalties happen when Google's spam algorithm is flagged by something relating to your website, and Google decide to apply a manual penalty then on your site's ranking. So let's understand here what exactly the algorithmic penalty means. So this step happens naturally. This is an automatic penalty guys. This is a natural penalty we can say. This type happens naturally as Google updates its algorithm. So Google time to time updates its algorithm to give the best possible result to its users. A small changes or series of changes can create an automatic penalty guys that will cause your site to suddenly drop in search listing. So guys, the common pretty two Google algorithm is Google Penguin and Google Panda. These are the common culprits. So let's understand deeply here. Algorithmic penalty are typically harder to detect because you will not receive any message from Google here. So because they aren't usually accompanied by any notification, you will never receive any notification from Google. So here that's why it is harder to detect. So however, the severe drop in the organic search traffic, usually leaves no doubt about their presence. So here directly let's move on to the 17 reasons why Google can penalize your websites. So out of that, the first one is broken links and 404 errors. So what do you mean by this? Broken links and 404 errors. Guys, here if you are browsing any websites and if you click on any pages and if you don't find if you didn't find any information, and if you have been redirected to the page which shows 404 errors, that means the information which you were looking for is not found. So this is actually called as 404 errors, information not found errors. So Google actually hates the most 404 errors, guys, and the broken links problem on the website. So if you are not delivering the 404 errors or broken links, this would be a red signal that your user isn't getting the information they ask for. So here, guys, you have to make sure that there are no 404 errors on your website, otherwise Google will definitely penalize your website. So here the next one mistake which is pretty common is keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means using the same keywords number of times. Keyword stuffing means using the same keywords multiple times in your content. So here the keywords are an important part of your SEO plan, guys, for ranking your website. So you need to insert them naturally. It shouldn't be a copied one, it should be a genuine and original one. So you need to insert them naturally into your content, and mostly Google detects a high amount of keyword in a content is a flag for poorly written content. So if there is something keyword stuffing in your content, then Google will flag that article for poorly written content. So as Google detect it, then you will be penalizing soon. So our next one pretty common mistakes which we do is missing meta tag description. Missing meta tag description tags. So here, guys, meta description tag are important for SEO feature, and also make sure you do not use more than 5 meta tag, guys. You do not use more than 5 meta keywords on your one page. And guys, meta tags define your pages to search engine, and without it your site will not tweak into related search engines. So guys, the fourth one reason why Google is penalizing your website is overusing #1 tags. Overusing #1 tags. So here, guys, #1 tags help Google. It will help Google to identify what the page is all about. So it will help Google to know what exactly this page is all about. So overusing, if you overuse it #1 tag, then on the web page that can be a negative, because Google may get confused about the title and turn out to penalizing your site. So make sure you you don't use hashtags multiple times in your content. So the next one reason is duplicate content. So here, guys, Google hates duplicate content, and it is a serious crime on the web, guys. Any duplicate content on your site makes it less useful in Google's view, and that can be result in penalty. So here, guys, you have to make sure that your content is unique and clearly written. So you can also use some tools like Copyscape and Copygator to check the plagiarism. So here the next one reason why Google penalize your website is image with missing alt tag. Images with missing alt tags. So guys, search engine read images by their alt tag. So how search engine read the images? By their alt tags. So if you do not provide alt tag, the search engine will be confused. It would be very difficult for the search engines to know whether which image of this is all about. So here, image alt tag are the best way to improve your site's engagement in the search engine result page, as it lets the image on your page to rank in image search result. So guys, make sure you don't miss the image alt tag. So our seventh one mistake is slow site loading. So here guys, site speed shows how speedily a website responds to web demands. So in the present time, no one has the time to wait for a minute before a website opens a page. So this would move your user to other faster website. So that's why Google uses a range of sources to determine the speed of the website comparatively to the other site. So Google will definitely penalize your site for slow website speed. So guys, our next one reason why Google penalizes your website is buying backlinks. Hey guys, if your backlinks are buying from somewhere, there are many tools available to buy backlinks, then there is a more chance of banning or penalizing your website, because the backlinks, actually here the backlinks are important for your ranking strategy. And if you buy into a bad link, bad links, this can lead to a negative effect on your search ranking, right? So here buying links are trying to manipulate search engines and page rank. So here the ninth one mistake is missing the sitemap data. So Google actually uses XML sitemap to analyze and structure of your website and learn how it's put together. So guys, here you have to make sure that your XML sitemap is available up to date and submit it in your Webmaster Tool account. So the 10th one mistake we are doing is broken external links. So here guys, be attentive to your external links. If you don't keep links up to date, then Google will think that you don't care about the user's experience. So guys, that's why you please make sure all of your external links are working well and user do not end up with 404 errors. So 11th one mistake is hidden links. So guys, don't make your links refined and hidden them. Anything that's hidden is considered doubtful. So guys, make sure all of the links on your website should be clearly visible and useful to others, useful to your users. So guys, here the 11th mistake is too many affiliate links. Affiliate links are actually guys acceptable to use, because if you don't add too many affiliate links, then only it will be acceptable guys. So if you overuse, it can raise a red flag and Google will identify your website content as not up to the mark. So please avoid such mistakes here. So 11th one mistake is black hat SEO advice. So here guys, if you are using black hat method, there are two types of SEO method. One is a white hat method and the second one is a black hat method. So white hat is a legal method and the black hat method is a illegal method. So guys, if you are using black hat method for publishing the information to manipulate SERPs, Google search engine result page, then Google doesn't like and be ready to be penalized guys, because Google doesn't like it. So that's why go for the white hat method. So here the 14th one is poor mobile website. If you have a poorly designed mobile website, Google possibly will not be able to detect link between your website and your mobile website. So guys, confirm your website is mobile friendly. So the 15th one is hacked content. Here guys, hacked websites are instantly removed from SERPs by Google. Hacked websites are instantly removed from SERPs by Google. So here you be attentive and fast to act on this guys. So the 16th one is error code. This is a pretty common guys. Google don't like actually error codes, whether it is a 302, 404 or 500 or any other guys. So if your website pages displays any of these error, then you need to improve it right away, guys. So here the last one but not the least one is over optimization. Actually, optimizing our content, optimizing our website is a good practice, guys. But if you do it beyond, if you do it over, then it may chances of penalizing your website by the Google. So please don't overly optimize your website. Google doesn't like it and identify as an effort to eliminate your competition from SEO list. So guys, here you make sure you publish good and natural content and check your method. So guys, these were the 17 reasons why Google penalizes your websites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like button, and if you have any doubt, then please mention it in the comment section below. So thank you for watching.